Okay friends, I'm in Anuradhapura and I'm at the rock of Mihinitale, very famous rock which I'm going to show you. Beautiful sunset right at the top of Anuradhapura you can view. This is where the start of Buddhism was actually started. The monk Mahindra came from India and he started preaching Buddhism from this area, so that's why it's very famous. So we will be going up there in a second, and this is the place. The entrance fee is 1,000 per person, and you can take an auto from your hotel. It's about 5,000 Sri Lankan rupees. So we are going to the top. One more thing, make sure you're wearing proper clothes because this is a Buddhist holy place, so make sure you cover yourself.
You two don't have a much time.
So going up the steps and hopefully I'll catch the sunset. Looks like 15-20 minutes walk, and there are monkeys everywhere. So let's go see upstairs. So we have reached the top, and this is where you deposit the shoes before you go up on the stupa. We're going right at the top. It's a bit of a steep climb, so be prepared. So in this stupa, there is supposed to be Buddha's hair, the one in between the eyebrows, is kept over here. So that's the significance of this stupa and this holy site. So as you can see here, it's very steep. Give yourself 15-20 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish my vlog here from Mihinitale. So if you're in Anuradhapura, it takes about, I would say, 20-30 minutes to get here. You come down here in a tuk-tuk, he charges 5,000. Then we paid donation of 2,000. You don't have to, but it's up to you entirely. So if you come up here, then there's a stupa, as you can see right behind me. You can go there to catch the sunset or sunrise, or you can go over there where you can see the little rock right behind there. So I don't know if you can see. So it's quite a steep climb. Really entirely your wish. I mean, it's okay. It was a bit tight. It was a bit tight to. Sorry, excuse me. It was a bit tight to go up there, but whether it's worth it, yes. I mean, it's nice. A bit of a Buddhist history that, you know, a monk from India came here and he started the Buddhism from this place. So it's a very historic landmark in that way. And that rock you see, the famous rock of Mihinitale, apparently he levitated. There's levitation he did. I mean, that's what the legend says. And they also keep the hair, the eyebrow hair of Buddha as well. So it's very significant in that way. So if you do come here, you know, you take your time, couple of hours, nice, you know, relaxing. So I really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. I've got some videos from different angles, from different locations, so do check them out. And I will see you in the next vlog. I'm not sure where I'm going to do, what I'm doing next tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to Trincomalee, another famous sites on the Ramayana trail, which I will fill you in the morning. But this is day one, you know, very nice Sri Munaswaram temple, and then the other temple, Manavari temple. Amazing. Watch the videos if you haven't done that. I'll put them in the description box. But yes, so take care and God bless you. Jai Shri Ram.
निर्वाण